Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to match a font using an image in Photoshop 2022. First, let's go ahead and create a text that we want to match to the image. You can select multiple text by holding shift and selecting multiple text. Once you selected all the text, go to the tab menu and select type, select match font. Once you open up the panel match font, just put it on the side and select the source text from the image. These are the suggestions from Adobe, so if you want to preview it, just select one of the list and it will update the text that you just created. Once you're done selecting the closest font, just hit OK and you're done. Let's do another example. Let's click on Features for Business Productivity Text. Select the image source, and this time I have the installed font on the top and the Typekit Cloud font on the bottom. You can choose from the match fonts already installed on your machine or download from Typekit by clicking the cloud icon. Once you're done selecting the best font, just hit OK and you're done. That's it for the Photoshop Quickie. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one.